Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to change language in Microsoft Edge browser. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change language in Microsoft Edge browser, click on page settings icon on upper right corner. Here you will find an option region and language. Under region and language, click on the drop down menu and you can select your required language from here. I'm selecting to India Hindi. Look, the browser language has been changed to Hindi. If you want to go back to the default language English, you can click here to go back to English, or if you want to go back to other language, click on page settings and then click on language here and then go back to United States English. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.